I'm a sucker for passionate kisses.
I just miss like the companionship. Like I miss the cuddles. Yeah. I miss the kisses because I'm someone who's like very affectionate.
Stop, please, baby.
Just give him a peck.
Hey.
What?
Oh, you say his cheeks. I thought you say his dick. I say, hey.
What you mean I'm gonna kill you?
Maybe we'll want tomorrow. Okay, this is new. I'll take it today.
The kiss.
With your nose?
Yeah.
Oh, cute.
It's cute, Abby.
Like a dog.
You're too heavy.
Physically.
Let's sleep like this. Sleep.
I beg. My mind was spoiled this morning. I beg.
You will agree. Yeah, you will agree.
Kissing in public. Just.
Okay, I think it's very easy to press that button. I didn't know it was that easy. Is that it?
No, I will do breakfast for you. Anything you want, I will do it. You can see.
Hey, Isabella, small, head they pain me. Not to be finals.
Really? Yeah. It's too sexual. I was scared for my life. I ran.
Can you kiss me well? You stiff man.
I'll blow him a kiss.